Alright guys, welcome back. Another week. So we are starting a new week, that's Monday. And all the predictions I've made the past 2 weeks, I was right. Well, what a surprise, right? For those who have been following me for long know that the fundamentals don't lie. It's nothing like put a line on the chart and then voila, magic happens. It doesn't work like that. Anyways, so welcome back. It's a new week. It's a new opportunities ahead. Tomorrow we're going to have my webinar from 6 to 7 p.m. on Australia time, Sydney time. Completely free, $0, no charges. The only thing I ask you is to subscribe to our channel and to give us a thumbs up on each video you watch. This helps us to keep doing those great contents for you guys. So please, your finger won't fall down. Just click the like button and subscribe for us. What I want to talk today is pretty quick here, guys. Pretty quick. Let's go run over. Lots of things happened during the weekend. All right. So the market is still pretty much doing the Israel war. So we had a escalation of tensions on. There's more tension now on Gaza, as Israel say that they are ready for the next phase. What they mean by that is the next phase would be, they going to Gaza and invading, let's say, through, Earth. So they're going to go with more than 300,000 soldiers, as well the ocean, as well air. So all of the trees, area spaces, they are going to cover it. All right. So when the market sees this happening, because it's not happening yet, don't get me wrong, it will happen, and Israel already say this will happen soon or late. This will happen. So there's no option for them to not doing it. This will lead to a very strong Swiss franc, much more stronger gold, as well US dollar. Okay. So pay attention. When the Gaza gets heated by Israel again, the Israel goes and try to take them Hamas groups off from Gaza, then we're going to have an even more collapsed market. All right, so US dollar will be much stronger. Oil prices will go even higher. Okay, there are a few economists, there are a few projections talking about $150. Bloomberg was talking about oil at $150 if USA or Iran or Syria gets involved into the war. Will that happen? I don't know. It's too much things already. So let's focus on that. Another thing is that US have sent another ship to Israel, and more than 100. I think it's more than 100. If I'm not wrong, 100 or 120 jets. All right, war jets. As well, we had the Biden sort of helping, that's exactly what I'm saying for you guys since last week. They're coming to the media, they're talking that he will help, but when, he wants to go ahead and actually fight, no, we can't do that. Anyways, what else we're going to have this week? Well, we're going to have the Europe CPI, that it's there are a few projections that the inflation on Europe is slowing down. This will lead to even weakness euro dollar. So we can see euro dollar even lower at 104 soon. I thought it would, probably until end of the year, but we're going to have euro dollar on 104 much sooner than I was expecting. All right. What else I have to talk? Quick. Oh yeah. Safra is one of the banks, Safra Bank. I don't know if you guys heard about this bank, but it's pretty big. Have a look. It's a very nice bank. If you go to the website, you can find this. So they say that they believe that the inflation on Europe is slowly going down. So there we have it, another confluence, a big bank talking that they believe that the inflation in Europe is going down. We're going to have the CPI on Canada as well. And one thing that I want to talk tomorrow on my webinar, so subscribe to my webinar already, fully free, zero charges. Dave will leave the link here, is will the Fed hike next month? Well, I don't believe so. And for that, and why I don't believe, I will explain this on my webinar. I do believe that they will hike, but not now. All right, so this is very important. So this will lead lots of flows into the US dollar. So this is something you need to know. So I don't have time to explain it all now, but I have time to explain it tomorrow, and this is what I will do on my webinar. All right, guys, so this is all from me today. Keep tuned on euro dollar, pound dollar, as well as oil and gold, and of course the US dollar index. And I see you tomorrow on my webinar. So give us a thumbs up on this video, subscribe to the channel, send this video to your friend. Maybe he or she likes to trade, wants a bit more information on the macro and the fundamental sides. This is perfect. All right, so please, again, subscribe to the webinar tomorrow, 6 to 7, and I see you there.